one of the hardest things to do. You try as a human being, yun yung ideal na maging classic ang tao. Hello everyone, this is Shaina Magdayaw and this is 5 Good Things. Oh, empathy, sympathy, forgiveness, grace, presence. Yun din. Lahat yun. Kasi yun yung ideal. Yun yung ideal na maging classic ang tao. Perfect yun eh. Yun yung perfection ni Eman for me. So you try, as a human being, it's inevitable, diba, that you are going to lack, you are going to sin, you are going to make mistakes, but subukan mo sigurong bigyan ng grace yung sarili mo, mag-sympathize or mag-empathize sa mga tao na nakapaligid sa'yo, even if it's one of the hardest things to do, but find forgiveness in your heart. Yung gaya ng sabi ko, yung last na sabi ko, yung presence, that's actually one of the most generous things that one person can do or give someone else, which is your time, your love, your presence in someone's life.